Hey guys, everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today recipe I'm going to show you how to make Japanese chicken cuts. So this recipe is very easy and it's a quick recipe and especially it's good for dinner and lunchtime. So let's get started how to make this easy. For making this we need chicken boneless. Here I'm taking breast part. You can take leg part also. It will work. And cut the chicken much as you can thinly so you can see the chicken thickness. For the seasoning, here I'm using black pepper and salt. For this recipe only we need that. Apply the both of sides salt and pepper. Now take an egg and I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon flour, plain flour. Mix all nicely. So I will recommend you if you are using breadcrumb, you can use Japanese, Korean, Thai. These are really good breadcrumb. And next we need plain flour. Okay, now take 1 chicken. And first we gonna start with flour, plain flour. Put in plain flour. All of the chicken, both of side we need to apply the all flour. And just put in, second we need to put in egg. And finally we gonna go with breadcrumb. So when you apply the breadcrumb, make sure you have to press lightly. So if press, so all breadcrumb will stick nicely in chicken. So it's ready. Now set aside this. Repeat the all. And now this time you can fry directly also, but I like to keep in fridge for 10 minutes. Now meanwhile we gonna prepare the cabbage. So take a cabbage accordingly you need and cut into very thinly much as you can. And once you done the cut and put in cold water so it will make more crunchy and fresh. So here my oil is already heat. Now I'm gonna drop the chicken. So one thing you have to remember, when you drop the chicken, make sure to not touch this until with a little brown color and bottom side will not make hard. You should not touch this, otherwise when you touch on time, so it will all breadcrumb will come outside. Fry on medium flame for each side for 3 minutes. Now it's time to take out, so you can see the chicken color, both of side is golden brown color. So we don't need too much dark color, so it tastes also changing, so we don't need that. So no need to worry about the chicken cook, so chicken is easily cooked. Now remove the cabbage water and make sure remove the all extra water also. Now serve in serving plate. And here I used 1 tomato also, which is I already peeled the tomato skin. And you can slice how you like. Now take a chicken and slice into bite pieces. Okay, now it's ready to enjoy. So when you eat this, you have to add top on this tonkatsu sauce. So if you don't have this tonkatsu sauce, you can use the tomato ketchup also. So this is my final result, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this recipe. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and bring to more recipe guys. Please share with your friends and family and all them enjoy my homemade recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you on next video. Bye bye.